Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2017 Chevy Equinox LS all-wheel drive, stock number X881XX. Only 23,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report, black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility, and backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. This LS has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges, again only 23,000 miles, with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, full radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.